Have you ever thought about growing your own organic microgreens indoors? Imagine having a tiny, flavorful forest of nutrition right at your fingertips. That's what organic microgreens are. They're the seedlings of vegetables and herbs, harvested just after their first leaves have developed. It's like capturing all the potential of a full-grown plant in a bite-sized, nutrient-packed package. These vibrant little greens are not only rich in flavor, but they also pack a punch in terms of health benefits. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to any meal. But here's the best part. Growing them at home is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You don't need a green thumb or a sprawling garden. All you need is a little space, some basic supplies, and a dash of enthusiasm. So, if you're ready to add a fresh and healthy touch to your meals, let's dive into the step-by-step process of growing these little green wonders. First, gather all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a handful of items to kickstart your microgreen adventure. Start with a selection of seeds, your chosen microgreen varieties. Next, obtain a growing tray. This will be your mini garden bed. Don't forget the potting soil. It's the foundation for your seeds' growth. A spray bottle is essential for gentle watering. Lastly, find a sunny windowsill or a grow light to ensure your microgreens get the light they need. Once you have all these, you're ready to start the exciting journey of growing your own microgreens. Now, it's time to put those seeds into the soil. The first step is to evenly spread your seeds across your chosen container. This ensures that each seedling will have enough space to grow without competing for nutrients. Imagine them as little guests at a party, each one needing its own personal space to thrive and dance. Next, you'll want to cover your seeds with a thin layer of soil. This isn't just a blanket to keep them warm, but it's also a protective shield against the outside world. Remember, these tiny seeds are about to embark on a big journey, and they need all the protection they can get. Finally, let's not forget about hydration. Misting your seeds with water is like giving them their first sip of life. It's the catalyst that sparks the magic of growth. So spread your seeds, cover them gently, and give them a good misting. With your seeds all tucked into their bed, your journey has officially begun. Now that your seeds are planted, the next step is to care for your budding microgreens. This stage is crucial in ensuring a healthy growth. First up, temperature. The ideal range is between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot or too cold can slow down the growth or even kill your delicate sprouts. Watering is a delicate balance. You want to keep the soil moist, but not saturated. Overwatering can lead to mold and other diseases, while underwatering can stunt growth. A light misting once or twice a day should suffice. Light is key to the photosynthesis process. Place your tray in a spot with plenty of indirect sunlight, or use a grow light if necessary. You can expect the seeds to germinate within 5 to 7 days. When the sprouts have grown their first set of true leaves, they're ready for harvest. With just a little bit of care and patience, you'll soon have a lush tray of microgreens ready for harvest. Congratulations! Your patience has paid off, and it's time to reap the fruits, or rather, greens of your labor. Harvest your microgreens gently, snipping them just above the soil line when they've developed their first true leaves. These little greens are nutritional powerhouses and make a tasty addition to salads, sandwiches, or as a garnish on your favorite dish. Enjoy the fresh, organic microgreens that you've grown yourself. Remember to like, share, and stay tuned for more gardening tips.